Hey Vidyashrins, I hope you're doing fine and staying safe. So today in this video we'll be discussing about something which is very interesting. This diary entry. This is my diary that I used to write earlier in my college days. So today I'll be telling you about diary entry, how to write diary. Okay, before that I really want to ask you, what is diary entry? I'll tell you. A section of writing that has been organized by date, and time is optional. The entry has to be jotted down by you, and you have to mention all the thoughts, feelings, opinions, ideas, whatever coming in your mind, and you have all the freedom to write anything in your diary because it's your personal diary. So you can write any content, anything you want to write. Any of your memories, any of your incidents you want to share, any situation that you want to just pen down. So you can write anything. It's all your property. You can write anything on your diary. Okay, let's discuss more about diary entry. The format is pretty simple and you have a lot of freedom to write whatever you wish to write. आपको जो लिखना है आप लिख सकते हो उसमें. You have to follow few basic things in mind. कुछ basic चीज़ें आपको याद रखनी है. Before starting to write, just make sure you mention the date, day, time, preferably on the left side of the page, and then you all can start with the experience you want to write. Whatever you want to write, you can write. A diary is kept to hold a personal record of your personal experiences. जो भी आपके personal experiences हैं, situations हैं, ideas हैं, कभी के बार आपको बैठे बैठे कोई भी idea आता है, बहुत creative ideas आती है, you can just jot it down in your diary. You can start with Dear Diary because it's a conversation between you and your diary. So you have to treat your diary as your friend because you share everything with your friend, right? So in the same way, you have to share everything with your diary. So it's a Dear Diary. It's very dear to you. So we started as Dear Diary. In that you can jot down all whatever had happened during the day, and you can also note the activities and events that had happened. So that is the purpose of diary entry, to make a record, to jot down all your creative ideas, your experiences, your situations, and your opinions about something. So it's your personal diary. Let me tell you how to write. Okay, on the very left side we'll mention day and date followed by the time, then salutation, which is Dear Diary, followed by the body, and in the body you may discuss an event or any of your situation, anything you want to share in your diary. Then we'll conclude with the final remark or your name or signature, which is again optional. Okay. Now let me tell you a few of the points that you should be following while writing a diary. First point, keep your diary under lock and key. It's your personal diary, so you should not be keeping it very casually. Second, do not write every day. Wait until something interesting happens. So do not write boring stuff in your diary. It should be very interesting. Third, it's a piece of informal writing. Of course it's an informal writing, and it should not be given to anyone to read. सिर्फ अपने पास ही रखना है. You should not share it with anybody. Fourth, avoid writing about illness. ऐसी नेगेटिव चीज़ों के बारे में हम नहीं लिखेंगे. Railway timetable, of course that's too boring. Weather and other such routine dull matters. हम dull चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं लिखेंगे. We'll be writing about something very interesting. Create self-portraits and pen portraits of others. You can even draw, right? You can write about someone and you can even draw. And the last one is create your own style and format. अपना खुद का style invent करो. Just try to make your diary very creative and impressive. So try to make your own styles and formats and follow that.
Diary is a record of your life and can be reviewed to help you see your growth and remember and understand where you came from. Writing a diary is a way to express your creativity. It will help you become more comfortable with writing and expressive in general.
So we'll soon be sharing with you the PDF of diary entry. So write it very carefully and even try to make your own diary. And when we'll meet in school, I'll be discussing with you all how many of you have made your personal diaries. And yes, we can share few of the incidents and thoughts, whatever you have written in that, although we should not share, but yes, we can just share few of your opinions and ideas, whatever you have jotted down in your diary. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.